Good morning, friends. It is Tuesday, and after a couple of days of everyone being sick, I now have the mess to pick up after everybody is back to school and work. Alright, I got that little bit done. I managed to get all of that taken care of, and somehow it feels so much better. I wanted that done before I even had my coffee. I wiped off all of the counters. My butter dish is in the wash. So, okay, I feel a lot better. Comment below if you know what I mean. I love my family and I love when they're home, but there's just something about reclaiming your home when everyone goes back to work and school. And the sun is rising bright this morning. And I'm not for sure if you guys have the same problem as this. This is all junk mail. To sort through all of this. So, although I did not cook Thanksgiving meal, our wonderful neighbors brought us some food, and then we just have some items that I actually made this weekend. So everybody has been sick. I feel like these are Petri dishes that need to be cleaned out. So we're gonna talk, and you're gonna watch me a little bit reclaim my fridge after this holiday and all of these leftovers. So that's something we don't talk a lot about. A lot of people probably don't like to talk about it, but here's what I'm tossing out. I did buy this hummus, and I really would not pitch this at all, and we would be eating this. I just picked this up on Sunday. This is right before Andrea broke out with 101 fever, and he was eating out of this, and he said, yeah, I might have double dipped in this. Boo. So I'm pitching it. To me, this is a Petri dish. These rolls have been in here a while. So these are actually gonna go in my freezer for when I make dressing. Toss. I keep these typically for my mom. This is just some tea that needs to be dumped out. This, again, has been opened for quite a while in the fridge, and I'm just, again, Petri dish. This tomato sauce is okay. I'm gonna put it back in here. Mattia had used it to make himself some pasta. This is bread that I keep in my fridge, so it will go back. This is some Caesar salad that the croutons are now soft. These boiled eggs were made last Wednesday. Chicken salad was made on Friday. Little piece of dried up pumpkin pie. Okay, and then this is another Petri dish. So my neighbor, they so kindly brought us some food over Thanksgiving. We won't even talk about that day. I hope your day was great. And she then told me after we were all sick that her mother-in-law was sick. And to me, when all of these things just sit in the fridge, if you ever took microbiology and people have been sick, it's just, it needs to go. So that is what it's looking like. That is a broccoli rice casserole I made day before yesterday. I'm thinking, I don't even think anyone hardly touched that. And then just some of our leftover ginger ale. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the dishes washed up now. So everybody might say, hey, that is really wasteful, and start, you know, with their negative comments, and that's fine, whatever you think you need to do. If you wanted to come right on over and eat some of these leftovers, more power to you. I will leave them outside for you. But when people have been really, really sick, I'm just not gonna leave them in my fridge. I am just not. Everybody's been eating out of them. And that's one thing to be careful about on the holidays is, you know, sick kind of goes around. You have a lot of people in one area, and yeah. So I'm gonna let these get in some hot soapy water. My dishwasher is full. Now that is all cleaned up and my fridge is cleaned out. So that will be done for this week and even for grocery week. I'm gonna flip you guys around and you get to see my lovely purple glasses again. So that will wrap up today's video. Please leave a link below if you made a video on how you clean up after the holidays or a long weekend. And maybe your house is just a new kind of mess because you are dragging out all of your Christmas decorations. So leave your comments below and leave a link to your videos below. So I have some more cleaning that I will need to do today. Like I said, we are all just recovering from being sick, so I'm really not for sure exactly how much I will do today. I know I started some laundry with really good intentions and it is still in there in the dryer, so I'm gonna finish that up. Please join the collab for a Whip It Up Wednesday. Those videos will go up tomorrow. I was asked to join by Heather over at the Needy Homesteader, so be sure you are watching some Whip It Up Wednesday videos for some great meal inspiration. Heather invited me over with her and some of her awesome ladies that I have been watching their videos as well. I am currently trying to think, what am I gonna make for Whip It Up Wednesday? So tune in and see what I come up with, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.